Hi guys, Abs here and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be going over our latest software. I'm also going to be making notes of how we're giving away 50 licenses as a bonus and how you can get access to this. In the last video that I actually showed you, when I demonstrated our latest software, I showed you how we was able to generate optimized content, how we were able to create websites, and how we were able to rank inside of Google. I even shared keywords that the websites were ranking for with you in the video. Okay, now this video should actually be below this video, so if you haven't seen our latest software in its entirety, then you can actually watch this video which will be demonstrating how it actually works. But this video is going to be full of fresh content, and I'm going to be demonstrating new features and new areas, and I'm going to actually be showing you why the software works so well. But I actually recently sent you out an email as well where I revealed even more keywords and the same keywords that I revealed inside of this video, but I actually showed you how our website is now ranking even higher for these keywords, such as position 1 on page 1, without building a single link for the content that we actually generated. Okay, and I actually share multiple keywords for multiple pages that are ranking inside of Google, all on the first page. So not only has our content generator generated content where the websites are ranking inside of Google, but with time our websites have started to rank even higher and have started to be found for even more keywords as well. Okay, so I did actually start off by generating, going back over the presentation as well. But I thought, you know what, let's do something different and let me show you results side by side, and let me show you exactly why, or you will be able to see exactly why optimized content is so important. But one thing that I want to read out from here, guys, is content that is shallow in nature, which means it does not include common terminology and topic relevant terms, or content that screams it has been spun no longer works. Okay, content that we create needs to be optimized around our topics using words and terms that Google expects to be included in a well-researched article. Okay, and all of this is now very important after the Hummingbird update, guys, which was a massive rewrite to the whole Google algorithm, and it paved the way forward for Google to understand queries and words in a given sentence and query, and match them up as opposed to just single keyword matching. Okay, it might sound a little bit complicated because I haven't explained it properly, guys, but it's actually very common sense when you do come down and you come to look at it, and that's exactly what I'm going to be trying to demonstrate in this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you some content that I actually outsourced. Okay, so here's ineedarticles.com, guys, and in 2015, as you can see, I was outsourcing quite a bit of content from I Need Articles, sometimes 4 articles, sometimes 3 articles, sometimes 6 articles, and what have you. Okay, but let's have a look at this article here, guys, and the reason I want to look at this article is because this was one of the articles that I went back over to see the kind and the quality of content that I was actually getting, or this was one that I found to be a very, crappy in nature, to be honest, but I actually copied this and we've added it in here, guys, as you can see, how to build calf muscle. In fact, what we'll do is we'll copy this back over and we'll add it inside of here and we'll read it, guys. Okay, so top tips in the muscle building Bible. Okay, that's the wrong article that I've come over to, haven't I? Okay, so we wanted calf muscle. That's this one here. Okay, and I just want to compare side by side content that our software generates compared to this. Okay, how to build calf muscle. Why is the calf muscle so difficult to grow? Why is the calf muscle so difficult to grow? This is the question that we to answer before we go into how to build it. Okay, now guys, this is very bad grammar content as well. So this might not be the best of examples, but I just want to show you what I mean by shallow in nature, not having the kind of keywords and the terms that it should include, or that we would expect it to include, guys. Okay, the reason why it is so hard to build your calf muscle is because it is a muscle that is just a lot of work. If you think about it, your calf muscle issues every day to support your entire by weight. Okay, it's supposed to be body weight. I don't know what's happened here, guys. Not only doesn't it support your overall body weight, but it supports more than that when you jump up and down, because the effects of gravity and pressure make sure your body weight explode. Okay, how to overcome the stubbornness of calf muscle. We know why the calf muscle is so hard to build, but how do we overcome this? In this section, we will talk about overcoming that difficulty. One thing when doing a workout for the calf muscle, you have to realize that this muscle can take a lot of strain. Okay, so anyway, guys, as you can see, it's very thin in nature as well, whereby it's just talking about calf muscles and the various things associated with any type of muscle pain or muscle building. Now, I'm going to take you over to our software, and I've already done a search for how to build calf muscle, and I'll show you that down here, guys. Okay, how to build calf muscle. Now, when I click on how to build calf muscle, I'm going to get topic keywords automatically added in here. Now, these are the top 5 keywords from the LSI terms. Now, let me just quickly show you the LSI terms. I don't want to sound too confusing down here, but I'm going to show you really, really quickly. When our software does a scrape inside of Google or inside of whatever website, it cross-references websites together to pick out the most important terms. This builds up the topic theme of your actual topic that you're looking to rank, and the topic that we were looking to rank for or generate content for was how to build calf muscle. Okay, and that's exactly what our instructions were here as well. Now, when you come over to the LSI file, you can see things like calf, calves. So calves was the second most important term used when finding content that was ranking inside of Google. Now, if we have a look at this topic here and we do a search and we do calves, okay, we can see that there's no matches. Okay, if we do a search and we do search for other ones as well, let's have a look at some other ones as well, guys. Okay, if we do something for leg or exercise or feet, okay, let's do leg. We've got one result for leg. Okay, let's do exercise. Okay, we got no results for exercise. Let's do feet. We got no results for feet. Okay, now these are terms that all of the websites that are ranking inside of Google, at least the 4 pages anyway, because when I done a search inside of Google, we scraped the 40 results. Okay, so at least the first 4 pages, these are the most important terms. Look, you got toes in there as well. Let's see if this is even talking about toes. Look. Okay, it doesn't even have toes in here, guys. Now, my order for this article was I wanted 500 words. Now, the guy delivered 564 words. He gave me bad grammar content. He gave me content that was shallow in nature. Now, I've already mentioned to you what I mean by shallow in nature. It doesn't hold your keyword theme. There's no weight in the content. It's very weak. And if you put it on a scale, then you know what? You could probably get one paragraph that talks about the majority of these LSI terms, and it would outrank some shallow content that is 500 words in length. So anyway, guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Now let's have a look at some content that we've generated from this, guys. Now, I generated this content just a little while ago. I'm going to show you it. Okay, and I generate content 2 at a time. Now, let's have a look at this. So we got the anatomy of the calf muscle. Let's start with a simple anatomy lesson. The calves are made up of 2 powerful muscles. The gastria whatever, okay, this is the large or not so much muscle. You see, you see when you look at the calf, the soleus, this is the deep muscle that lies underneath the gastrocnemius, whatever. So it's talking about anatomy of the calf. So you got anatomy of the calf as headings. You got content about anatomy. Okay, you got the best calf strengthening exercises. Then we're talking about exercises. Here are the 4 best exercises for strengthening your calves. Okay, 1, double leg calf raise. Calf raises are the classic. So as you can see, we've got headings matching the paragraphs, and we've got some really fantastic pieces of content that is all optimized with our LSI terms in mind, which build up the keyword theme of our content. Okay, in fact, guys, what we can do is we can generate content now in front of you so that you can see exactly how this does it and how quickly it is. So I'm going to do a max uniqueness. I'm going to show you another feature in a moment as well, guys. So I'm going to do a max uniqueness, and I'm going to be doing an 80% match. Okay, we'll do a 75% match. I'm going to go over to settings. I'm happy with these settings here, guys. Okay, and I'm going to click on generate 2 articles, and I'm going to click on start. and we're going to use these as the topic terms. As you can see, 2 of 2 articles already created. I'll open up the first article here. I'll click on open, and we'll click on preview, and we can see how this is starting to read. Let's kill the calf raise. Okay, so now this is talking about calf raises. 9, move leg day workout. Okay, move leg day workout. Okay, so maybe if you don't like the way that this starts to read and you don't want to generate the content like this, you can actually have a look at the second article that was generated and see if that reads better before you move on. So how to get big calves. It's simple. If a certain muscle group is stubborn and won't grow, then you need to shock it. People are constantly working their calves all the time when they are walking around. Here are 3 key rules to growing bigger and better calves. So instantly, guys, this is starting to read nice. Okay, and we've got lots of nice paragraphs down here all about getting bigger calves, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about the calf muscle groups, then we're going to talk about the anatomy of the calves, then we're going to talk about how to build calf muscles without equipment, okay, and then we're going to talk about 9 move leg days workout, and I think this is just something about a leg day workout that was taken from somewhere. Okay, so as you can see, we can generate really quick content, really optimized, and when we go to actually spin these articles, then we spin these articles using a very special technique. So we pull in the actual article, okay, and then we add protected terms, and for the protected terms we're going to be adding these LSI terms, guys. Okay, so let me just open up Excel. Okay, what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to disable the preview mode. And I just want to show you something, guys, and don't think this is the last thing that I got to show you, because I've got a number of other things to show you as well. When it comes to building content for your money site and you don't want it automated and you need that control, then how can you generate optimized content with a little bit more control? And that's exactly what I'm going to be demonstrating to you in a moment. Okay, so here's our LSI terms. And the reason I've opened it in Excel, guys, is because it allows me to separate them from the numbers of how many times they've been used. So anyway, I'm going to take something like 451 LSI terms. Things like medical and flexibility and effectively. Okay, and obviously all the most important ones, things like calf and calves and muscles and legs and exercises and training and toes. And I'm going to tell Spin Rewriter not to spin these and to keep these protected. These are the keywords that build up our topic theme for how to build calf muscles. And I'm going to tell Spin Rewriter, spin everything else, but don't spin these words here. And I'm going to click on generate. And we're also using a very high confidence level with Spin Rewriter. And we're also allowing Spin Rewriter to automatically add paragraphs. Okay, now it's been spun. Okay, now the content that we generated is unique content spun by Spin Rewriter, protecting our LSI terms. And we already know that when we generated this content, we generated it using a max uniqueness feature, which means that it took paragraphs and headings from different websites, not the same websites, and it sliced and diced and mixed and matched and merged the content to generate our own content. We then went ahead and spun that content, protecting the LSI terms, which build up the topic theme of our main keyword, and we're left with highly optimized unique content that we're able to use on our own websites that rank inside of Google. And that's exactly what we done with this here, guys. Okay, but now what I'm going to be showing you, and as you can see, it's ranking on page 1, guys. That's exactly what we done. In fact, we done this, guys, and in the training videos we show you how to pull that content back inside of here, how to edit this content, and how to go ahead and maybe, you know, just delete parts that you don't want to work with, add more paragraphs so that you can go ahead and delete them and whatnot, what have you. Okay, but now what I want to show you is something even better, guys. Something that provides you with even more control. So when you want to generate content for your own money sites, or when you want to generate content for your tier 1 properties, then obviously you can do it using this, and then you can start editing it. But if you want to do it all in one at exactly the same time, then that's exactly what you're going to be doing here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the content manager, and as a bonus, guys, as mentioned, you're going to be getting this software. But what you're going to be getting are the parts that I'm demonstrating to you now. So you're going to get everything in the content scraper. Okay, you're going to get everything in the content generator, and you're also going to get access to this part here, which is allowing you to analyze and optimize and generate your content drag and drop easy. So I can click on analyze now, and in analyze, guys, I can see exactly the same directories that I scraped for in step 1. Okay, the exact same directories that I generated content from just a moment ago in the generate content tab. And in here, I can look for the how to build calf muscles and I can click on search. What happens now is the software opens up the actual websites that we've gone ahead and got the content from. We can look at these websites. We can see exactly how they're styling it. We can see exactly how they're monetizing, exactly what content and headings and internal linking structures and everything they're using as well. Okay, but I'm not interested in this. I'm interested in generating content for my website. So I'm going to go straight ahead to headings. Inside of headings, what I can do now is I can actually search for content that I want to create content around. Okay, so I've actually got this file in front of me here, guys, and I can see that I want to generate content around here. So for example, these are actual keywords revolving around the how to build calf muscle that have search volume associated with them. So for example, the anatomy, if I want to start off with the anatomy of the calf muscle to start off my article, that's a good way to actually start it off. So I can add that inside of here. I can click on search, and now I can pick headings down here, guys. The first thing I like to do is add a number of empty spaces in my content area, so I can drag and drop stuff inside of here. Okay, a calf muscle anatomy lesson, anatomy of the calf muscle. Now that's a good title, guys. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna pull that in here. Now when I pull that in here, guys, I need to add some paragraphs in here now about the anatomy of the calf muscle. I can go over to paragraphs, and this holds all the paragraphs that the software has taken from all of these websites. However, not all of them are going to be about the anatomy. So what we can do here in headings now is come along here and say, well, you know what, we want a match percentage. Well, let's say we want a match percentage of say 60%. Okay, let's go 70%. And we'll say we want a match percentage of anatomy of calf muscle. I can click on find match, and now I can go over to similar paragraphs. Now these paragraphs that we're left with here, guys, are all about the anatomy of the calf muscle with a 70% match. Okay, so have a look at this paragraph here. First, one must understand the anatomy of the calf. The soleus is the largest muscle in the calf and originates from the fibula and tibia. So I can take this content now, guys, and I can drag and I can drop it inside of here. Now I can go back over to headings. In fact, I can go back over to my keyword research, which I know holds keywords related to how to build calf muscle that have search volume associated with them. I can look for something like strain. Okay, so I can talk about the strain in the calf muscle. I don't know if there's going to be anything in here, guys, but I can have a look. I can do search. And as you can see, we've got calf strain exercises. So I can take this down here now, and I can come along and add this in a heading. And I'll say, in fact, I want to add this in a heading 2 now. Okay, I can come over here and I can go and find match. When I click on find match, I can go over to similar paragraphs, and I can see all of the content or all of the paragraphs that are related to calf strain exercises. Okay, so let's have a look down here. The two calf muscles are the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. They act to the point of the ankle into the down, whatever, a strong muscle group that includes, I'm just going to quickly do some fast reading, guys, try to find out where the matches come from. Okay, anyway, there's going to be a match inside of here, guys. My eyes are just not working. Here we go. Look, muscular strain injuries. If you're not happy with that paragraph, guys, because we've got a 70% match here, you can actually reduce this match percentage down. And you can come back over to headings and you can say, let's do it on a 60% match. And we might be able to pull in some more paragraphs to choose from. And as you can see, we can. Okay, want great looking calves? Try these simple effective exercises for strengthening your calf muscles. You'll target the two muscles that make up the calf, gastrocnemius muscle, and which gives the calf its rounded shape. The soleus and flatter, longer muscles, whatever. Okay, so this is talking about calf exercises. So it's matched calf exercises, no strains in here. Not everything's going to be about straining, guys. And you can come along and you can take it down here. Okay, so you can come along, you might say, okay, I like this, and you can put this down here, guys. Okay, what you can do now is come along to headings, and before we go over to headings, we can come along down here and we can talk about pain now. So we can come along and we can add the term pain. And I can click on search. Now we've got some things about pain. How to self-diagnose your shoulder pain. Now we don't want shoulder pain, we want it about calf. Biceps, triceps, no elbow pain. We don't want that as well. Top workout fails of the week, all pain, no gain. Okay, we don't want that as well. this is back pain, so we don't want that as well. So obviously some of these websites that we're visiting that are talking about calf muscles and that are ranking for how to build calf muscles are obviously talking about other things as well, maybe for shoulder pains and elbow pains and legs and necks and what have you. So we'll bypass this one here about pain, and let's have a look at something, I don't know, spasm. Let's see if we can talk about spasm. Okay, nothing with spasm in our headings. We can talk about injury. Okay, I'm going to be explaining exactly what we've done in a moment, guys. Okay, free injury prevention course, calf muscles to prevent, how to strengthen calf muscles to prevent injury. So we can take this down here, guys. We can add it inside of here. We might say, okay, this time we want this as a heading 3, and now we want to find some similar paragraphs. Okay, how to strengthen calf muscles to prevent injury. Similar paragraphs, guys. And we can come up to the top, and we can start going through these as well, guys. Okay, we can add videos in here as well. If we want videos, we can come down, just drag and drop as we would usually, and we can you know, add images, and we can check the LSI. Okay, the LSI terms haven't come in, the LSI ones, because I've got them open in here. Okay, so I could actually search again and they're going to come in. So we can see all the LSI terms in here as well, the 2 phrase and 3 phrase as well, guys. Okay, and we're going to actually get a check keywords feature here. So when you click it, it's going to check to see what LSI terms you've got added in here and what ones you haven't got added inside of here. Then you can come along and start adding them inside of here. Okay, so basically what I've done here, guys, okay, well, this is one step. And the second step is if you want to spin it, you go over to spin, you can get spin tax if you want to get spin tax for it, or you can spin the article to get a new version. You browse your file, guys, the LSI file. You'll pick your LSI 1 terms. All the LSI terms are in here to make sure we protect the keyword theme and the topic relevancy, and we click on spin and we're able to spin this and get a unique article to work with. Now, because we're already slicing and dicing from multiple sites, then this content is good as is, and it can actually rank inside of Google, and you've got no problems with having duplicate content because it's not on your own website. And you know what, we see people using this content as curated content that they put on their own websites as well. Okay, so anyway, what I have here, guys, is the reason, or this is how you're going to actually be able to get access to our software as a bonus. So basically, with our software, you're able to generate content that is 100% optimized for your keyword. Now, what keyword are you going to actually go after is going to be how much targeted traffic you're going to be able to actually generate. Okay, so this software here, guys, that I've got in front of me is called Rapunzel. And what Rapunzel does, it has this tab in here that I like to work with called Yangify. And Yangify, what it does is, as you can see, I've added in the term calf muscle, and it said, yes, calf muscle is a go-ahead. And the reason it's giving me a go-ahead is based on traffic that is associated with this keyword. So for example, when we have a look at calf muscle, we see that it has an exact search volume of only 247 monthly searches. Okay, but when you have a look at the Yang volume, it shows you it has 37,159 monthly searches associated with calf muscle. And the way it does this, guys, is if I double click on here, and if I arrange this by, let's say, highest to lowest, what you can see down here is you've got multiple keywords that it gives you. Okay, and these keywords that it gives you are exact match phrases of calf muscle. Okay, so everything, and because the term calf muscle has loads of exact match phrases that send it monthly search volume, each one of those phrases send it a different amount of search volume, it means that you have a high opportunity to grasp a lot of traffic, guys. Okay, so you're talking being able to, if you target the calf muscle niche, for example, with your keyword, you're able to essentially or initially or effectively tap into 37,159 monthly searches as opposed to just 247, because you're going to be able to optimize your content around all of this. And let me show you exactly what I've done to find these terms here, guys. So literally what I did is, let's close this. I downloaded this CSV file, okay, and I downloaded it here, guys. As you can see, calf muscle, okay, and you can see everything down here. And I sorted these by largest to smallest. And then I came down here and I copied calf muscle and I highlighted this whole section and I done a Control F and I done a replace, and I replaced all of calf muscles with nothing. Okay, and what I was left with now were terms like pulled and torn and tear and strain. And I know pulled calf muscle, torn calf muscle, tear calf muscle, or calf muscle tear, or calf muscle strain, or strained calf muscle, all have monthly search volume associated with them. So when I'm generating my article here and I'm searching for headings, okay, I'm including the terms that have monthly search volume associated with them. So I'm targeting multiple keywords within the one article that have multiple hundreds or maybe even thousands of monthly searches associated with them. And I know that the content is 100 optimized. And as demonstrated to you in previous videos and in previous areas, guys, our content ranks inside of Google, and it ranks really well. Okay, in fact, guys, we gave access to a number of users to this software a couple of months ago, and I'm going to show you some of the actual feedback that we've received from them. Okay, so let's forget this. Okay, so here's some of the feedback, guys. So this is from someone called Darren Hodgkinson. He's gone, OMG, Abbas, just had my first play with the software. This might just be the most dangerous bad boy you've created to date. The content generation process is pure genius and better in terms of results than a paid monthly service that's on offer at the moment for over $100 per month. Congrats, mate. I'm looking forward to seeing what damage can be done with this. The possibilities are endless, guys. So already Darren is comparing this with a software that costs $100 per month, but you guys get access to this as a lifetime offer, and you get access to the content generation features that I just demonstrated to you, the content scraping features, and in fact I forgot to demonstrate another area to you as well, guys, whereby you can add your own URLs in the software now and generate content from those URLs that you add. So you can pick and choose your own URLs instead of relying on something like Google. Okay, here's another one by Andre Abbas Ravji. I am loving, great software. I just published a link to my first site and it made me look like a pro on a subject area that I know very basic stuff. So very good. So even if you don't know nothing about a subject, this software generates and creates content for you that is highly optimized and it looks like it's been highly researched as well, guys. And if English isn't your first language, then you know what, you're going to probably absolutely fall in love with this, because you're going to be able to generate really, you know, on topic articles in a really beautiful manner, guys, and it works with any language in any niche. And here's another one from Julie, guys. This is beyond impressive, Abs. You have made it viable to mine for all kinds of opportunities. There are going to be multiple ways for you to market this tool. It does so much already. Now here's ones from Michael. I use the software to generate content for an existing flooring site that has been stuck on the 6th page for my friend. After 2 days, 5 keywords have shot up between 5 and 13 places. Impressive for maybe 15 minutes of work. So everyone's seeing results, guys. It's not just us. In fact, guys, when I created this video, as mentioned to you, I was creating this slideshow and I was going to be showing you some even more results. I was going to dive in deeper in the software, because the software does so much more than just generate content. But because what we're offering as a bonus is only the content generation part, I just wanted to focus and isolate this section just to the content generation, because that's what we're offering as a bonus and you get lifetime access. And guys, we're only offering 50 licenses to the content generation part. Okay, here's another review here, guys. I am loving it. Great software. Could you automate the paragraph input for PLR content like the keywords or the video insert? Okay, so this is just feature requests as well, guys. So we do add new features inside of here, but you guys are going to get what you see. It's already available and it's going to be ready for you. Here it is again, guys. Mate, you got me smiling from ear to ear again. What you've done has to be the best implementation of content scraping and generation I've seen to date. Love it. Here's another one from Julie. It really is very good. I reckon you could use it in the early days of a site to see what ranks, then tweak to read then tweak to read even better and rank. Okay, here's one from Michael. And we're going to focus on this bottom part here, guys. Overall, very pleased. And everything you are doing with the software, the content I have added to WordPress are moving upwards, which is always good to see. Great work, Abbas. So as you can see, guys, it's a brilliant piece of software that works really, really good. And to get access to this, guys, all you have to do is buy Rapunzel through our link. And we're going to give the first 50 users that get hold of Rapunzel lifetime access to our content generation features. The content generation features include this analyze section here. You'll get this editor so that you can construct your own content exactly in the same way that I've just demonstrated in front of you. And you're also going to get features that are going to allow you to scrape for content from Google, the search engine of your choice. It's also going to allow you to add URLs of your choice, up to 30 URLs at a time, and generate content from your URLs as well. You're also going to be get access to a content generator that allows you to create multiple articles in batch. It allows you to pull in all the content that you scrape and generate those articles for you. It's going to allow you to protect those keywords. It's going to allow you to generate spin tax articles, which are good to go in software tools that you might use externally. It's going to allow you to generate unique content from a spun article, and it's going to allow you to spin articles as well. You're also going to be able to preview the content that you generate, okay, inside of these preview sections as well. So you're going to get everything that I've just shown you guys. And you're also going to get this analyze section that's going to allow you to drag and drop that content to generate that content for you. Now, just to give you another example, guys, of how cool this is, because I really like this. This is a brand new feature that's just come inside of here. We haven't demonstrated it in front of you as well. Let's have a look at this one here, guys. Best WordPress plugins. I can click on search. I can obviously scroll through these websites and have a look at all them, but I'm not interested in them. I'm going to go straight over to the headings. So from here, guys, I can actually tell the software how many minimum words the headings should have in order to actually show them down here. This allows us to get rid of a lot of the clutter. Okay, or I can just come down here and say, okay, I want to write about WordFence. So I could come down here, for example, I could remove, say, some of this area here. Let's just add some white space inside of here. And I can come down here and say, okay, I want to get a 70% match, okay, on WordFence. And I can go, because we've got so many paragraphs, guys, so much content. I believe I scraped over 100 sites here. So we've got so much content, thousands and thousands of words. So anyway, we're going to go to WordFence, go find match. We're going to go to similar paragraphs, and now everything is going to be about WordFence. Okay, so let's have a look down here. Okay, as a website owner, the most crucial things to have is your site secure from the hackers. Obviously, it's talking about hackers because WordFence is all about hacking, protecting your website from hacking. And obviously, it's going to be talking about WordFence down here as well. And the same is true with these. And WordFence, again, WordFence security plugin, whatever. Okay, I can come down here and say, okay, now I want to talk about Akismet. I could pull in Akismet down here, and I could go find match, go to similar paragraphs, and everything down here is going to be about Akismet anti-spam. Okay, I could come down headings and say, okay, now I want to talk about contact form 7, go to find similar, and everything down here is going to be about contact form 7 paragraphs, guys. And it makes it really easy to generate the content that you're looking to generate from multiple websites and for your own money sites as well. So anyway, I really hope you like this video, guys. There's much more to be seen from this software, which I'm not showing you at the moment, but I'm saving for you because we've got lots of things going on. We've added in a brand new local sites feature. We're getting more things added inside of here. We work with overlays, we work with redirects, we work with pop-ups and all sorts, guys. It really is so cool. But you know what, when it comes to generating content, because you know what, you got your own websites, guys. You need content for your sites, you need content for your buffer sites, you need content for your tier 1s and your tier 2s, and Google's is going to make it very difficult to index shallow content that looks like, you know what, it hasn't been well researched. It doesn't include those terms that need to be included and that are expected to be included for your keywords and the subject that you're targeting. then it's going to be very hard to get indexed in Google and to actually count towards anything for your websites. So the content that you generate in here, guys, can be saved over and used to add directly to your WordPress sites, to your own content management system websites, or what have you, and you get lifetime access, which means it's going to be very easy for you to generate content for any keyword in any niche, no matter if you don't even know anything about it. Okay, and you can even pass this over to your virtual assistants if that's what you want to do, guys. But this is going to be the only way that you're going to be able to get lifetime access, and we're only offering it to 50 individuals. After this, guys, when we do actually go live with this, I'm sure you can see the benefits of this. I'm sure you can see how others have already compared this to other tools that charge $100 a month, and they say this is actually better. Then I must mention that it's going to be probably being sold for subscription, but the 50 users that get access to this now will have lifetime access for the life of the software. So anyway, thank you very much, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And in other videos to follow, guys, I will actually take you around other results that we've achieved with this software. They're phenomenal. Sites that we create with this software. We got a local sites tab feature. We're going to have video sites coming to this as well, and we've got so many other things coming to this as well, guys. You know what, it's got us on a very exciting journey, and our users in our Facebook group really enjoy this software as well, and I'm sure many of them really appreciate the kind of the kind of time and input we are putting into this to make it even better, and provide even more control for you guys when you want to come and work with something like this. So anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this video.